Hello everyone, my name is Dhruv Sani. In the course of financial management, today we are going to cover the concept of debt and new financing instruments that is available to an organization. Basically, a debt is in form of debentures, what is issued to the debenture holders. A debenture is a type of debt instrument that is not secured by collateral and usually has a term greater than 10 years. Debentures are issued for greater than or more than 10 years. Debentures are backed only by the creditworthiness and the reputation of the issuer. Both corporations and the government frequently issue debentures to raise capital or funds for their organization or the government organization, because we know like a loan is provided to a credit the to a person whose credit worth is more, like who can repay the loan back to the organization or the bank. In the same way, debentures are issued by the companies or the corporations which have a good reputation in the market. So the types of debentures are unsecured debentures, and the features of this is these come up with no security for the assets of the organization, provided as the company is going on to the mode of insolvency. And secured debentures, these are backed with the security of assets of the organization. The assets support the collateral form of lending. Redeemable debentures can be converted at the end of expiry period. Interest on the debentures is paid in a fixed period of time. Investment is paid back after the fixed tenure, like the investment is made for more than 10 years, like a debenture is for 10 years. At the end of 10th year, the money will be paid back to you by the organization. Irredeemable debentures, as long as the business is going concern, the debentures are not to be repaid to the investors. Like at the end of the business or at the time of insolvency, the debenture holder will be paid back. Convertible debentures, the investors are provided with an option conversion to a whole or partial shares. Like the debentures can be converted to the shares, or the debenture holder can be the shareholders of the company. Completely convertible to equity shares. Three kinds of convertible debentures: non-convertible debentures, fully convertible debentures, and the partially convertible debentures. Features of the debenture is like pretty long maturity period it has. These provide fixed rate of interest at the end of fixed tenure. Claims on residual assets, like the debenture holders can have a claim on the residual assets of the organization or the company. These are provided with no voting rights. Debenture holders do not have any rights in the organization. Advantages and disadvantages of debentures. Advantages is provides a long-term perennial source of finance reaching up to 20 years of funding source. Rate of interest is usually fixed and lower than other sources of financing and is beneficial to the organization. A combination of debentures provided a higher earnings per share, as debentures can be traded for equity shares. The tax load is reduced on the organization as the payment on debentures is tax deductible. Security Exchange Board of India regulates the debentures and protects the interest of debenture holders. And disadvantages of debentures are: when the company doesn't earn profit, it becomes difficult for the organization to provide a fixed return on the to the debenture holders. Debenture holders have no control over the decision making process, as they are provided no voting rights. They are provided with a fixed return but no share in profit, as they are not shareholders, instead debtors of the organization. Debentures add a risk factor to the organization on the verge of dilution. There is a limit to the amount of credit an organization can raise through debentures, but not in case of shares, other financial instruments, and the new financial instruments that are available to a company. This involves certificate of deposit. In this, a fixed sum of money is left without usage for a financial organization that generates an obligation for return at a fixed rate of interest. Generally provides a higher interest rate than savings account. Depositories. These are dematerialized securities to be held for a fixed interval of time in physical or electronic form. Allotment of shares is made in dematerialized form with reduced chances of financial corruption, reduced delivery and trading time. Venture capital, usually used for funding in high risk investments, comes up with a comparative risk return. It is a source of finance for unlisted companies. Potential for extraordinary return as well as fear of huge downside losses. Credit rating provides a brief overview of the debtor's capability to return the seed fund in further stages. No specific mathematical source, but based on experience, expertise, existing market factor, as well as sustenance of plan in the current level of competition within the industry. Stock investments. Basis of investment is built on business parameters such as sales, profit margin, historical dividend policy. Basically, these are used by the organization as a common popular way to raise funds from open market in lieu of sharing of control. Uh, Global depository receipts issued by depository bank for purchase of shares in foreign organizations. Price based on value associated with the share and are traded settled independently. Allows investors to trade in capital markets outside the home region.